Hello, this is omni4. As you can see, well, you can't quite see the back wheel, but he's a four-wheeled robot. These are omni wheels with 6 rollers on each of the plates. And he's controlled using a simple app developed on the MIT App Inventor. So I'm just going to demonstrate the motion of omni4. So first thing you need to do, of course, is connect him. So go through this. So this is connecting to the Bluetooth module, and you'll see now I have control on the robot. So let me just move this backwards. Okay, so typical controls for robots. We have forward motion, reverse motion. But what's nice about these robots, of course, is that they can go left and right. Little problems sometimes with the grip that we have with the rollers, but not too bad normally. And of course, we have clockwise and counterclockwise rotation with this type of bot. But we also have nice diagonally forwards motion, diagonally backwards motion. And you can see there that omni4 has a lot of different ways that he can move around on a surface. Oops. Oops, he's disappeared completely. Let me just rotate him. Here he comes. There he is. So, fun little robot. Very easy to program and control. Everything you see has been built using a FlashForge Finder printer. So all the wheels, the only extra bits, of course, are going to be the nuts and bolts to actually bolt the wheels on. The sensors at the moment are not connected, but they're very easy to connect. And everything fits inside the bot as per normal. So at the moment, it's controlled by 4 AA batteries. And the Bluetooth modules there, and the standard Nano with the I/O board connected to it, as is in the normal designs. The 4 servos are flat on the base of the body. These are metal geared, and they have been modded so that they have 360-degree rotation. But they're still servos. These are not DC motors. But in fact, for this type of robots, DC motors would probably be best. Now I've kept the actual app and the code itself to be as simple as possible so that this really could be picked up by somebody who wants a slightly more advanced project to be working on with the Otto bots. So this is the MIT app, and you can see here this is just the design with the buttons. Of course, these buttons the images have all been designed by myself, and then the Bluetooth connection here, the clockwise and counterclockwise motion, and that's it, to keep things nice and simple. In fact, this is touch control so that when you are touching the buttons, the robot moves. As soon as you release, a stop command is sent to the robot. So this is actually helping out simplify the code. And code itself, just in the Arduino IDE, you can see I've kept everything as simple as possible. A bit of calibration that's required with these servos. They don't center at 90. You need to just experiment with this, and then you can set up. In fact, I set up 3 speeds on this: slow, medium, and fast. There's only 10 possible speeds, and in fact, really, there's not much difference between perhaps speed 1 and speed 2. Fast is actually very fast indeed, and it's problematic for omni4 to actually grip many surfaces if it's traveling too fast with the rollers that I have at the moment. So, yep, standard code for the Bluetooth connection to the HC05. And yeah, and just adjustments made for the different speed ratings that you have.